In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view or cancel your QuickBooks Online subscription. First, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online account using an admin login. Only admin users have access to the subscription and billing settings, so if you don't see the options I'm mentioning, you may need to switch to an admin account or ask the account owner to log in for you. Once you're signed in and on the main dashboard, you're ready to get started. At the top right corner of your QuickBooks screen, look for the gear icon. This is the main settings menu in QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and click that gear icon. It might be labeled as settings, but it's always the little gear symbol in the header area. From the menu that appears, find and select Account and Settings. This will open a new window or panel where you can manage different aspects of your company and subscription. On the left-hand side of this panel, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Billing and Subscription. This is where QuickBooks displays your current plan, your billing details, and your payment method. Take a moment to review this page. Here you can see which plan you're on, how often you're billed, and when your next payment is due. This is also where you can update your payment information or see if there are any promotions or changes to your pricing. If you only wanted to view your subscription details, you're essentially done at this point. If you want to cancel your QuickBooks Online subscription, stay on this billing and subscription page. Look for the QuickBooks section that lists your active subscription. Near it, you should see an option that says Cancel or Cancel Subscription. Click that option to start the cancellation process. QuickBooks will now guide you through a series of prompts. You may be asked a few questions about why you're canceling, such as whether you're switching software or no longer need the service. Answer the brief survey as best you can. Then carefully review any final notices about when your access will end and what happens to your data after cancellation. When you're ready, confirm your cancellation on the final screen. Once you've confirmed, you should see a message letting you know that your subscription has been canceled, along with the date when it will officially end. Make sure to save or export any reports or data you might need before that date, and you're all set.